Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the KOHLER Corbelle 3814 RA Zero Comfort Height Toilet. This two-piece unit comes in a sleek white finish and boasts some pretty cool features that I'm excited to break down for you. First off, let's talk comfort. As the name suggests, this toilet features a comfort height design. If you haven't experienced a comfort height toilet before, trust me, it's a game changer. It sits at chair height, making it so much easier to sit down and stand back up, especially for those of us with, shall we say, less than springy knees. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in everyday comfort. Now, onto the really interesting stuff, the cleaning aspect. Nobody loves cleaning a toilet, right? Well, KOHLER seems to understand that because they've incorporated a few features specifically designed to make this chore less of a hassle. The skirted trapway is a huge plus. That means no more hard-to-reach crevices and nooks around the base of the toilet. It's a smooth, clean surface that wipes down easily. Seriously, it's a lifesaver. But the real star of the show here is the Revolution 360 swirl flushing technology. This isn't your average flush. It creates a powerful swirling motion inside the bowl, which does an amazing job of cleaning the entire surface with every flush. It's designed to keep the bowl cleaner longer, and in my experience, it really delivers. Less scrubbing, more time for the things you actually enjoy. That's a win in my book. This Corbelle model is a two-piece toilet, which means the tank and bowl are separate. While one-piece toilets have their advantages, a two-piece design often makes installation a bit easier, especially if you're doing it yourself. Plus, they tend to be a bit more budget-friendly. The elongated bowl is another nice touch. It provides a bit more room and comfort compared to a round bowl, which is something to consider, especially for taller folks. The toilet uses 1.28 gallons per flush, which meets EPA WaterSense standards, so you can save water without sacrificing performance. Now, the dimensions are important. It's 29.5 inches deep, 18.75 inches wide, and 30.5 inches high. Make sure you measure your bathroom space to ensure it fits comfortably. It's also pretty hefty, weighing in at around 105 pounds, so you might want to have a friend help you with the installation. Overall, the KOHLER Corbelle 3814 RA Zero is a solid choice if you're looking for a comfortable, easy-to-clean toilet with some smart features. The comfort height design, skirted trapway, and Revolution 360 swirling flush are definite highlights. While it might not be the cheapest option out there, the added comfort and convenience are worth considering. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.